Okay, I'm trying to kick that there fly sticky thingy. Watch Finchy.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm done. Your turn. Alright. Here's Dylan. His tornado kick. Oh, he made it move, but he didn't hit it. Alright. Here comes Anthony. He touched it last time, but it hurt himself. Dun.
See, the whole point of the tornado kick is to jump and land on the couch. Last time I totally missed the couch and knocked the air out of myself for like 6 seconds, but it still sucks.
Dun.
I told
Fail.
I was scared.
Fail.
Time, okay?
Alright.
You land on the floor. It hurts, man.
Alright.
Booger, the destroyer of the world, who pissed on Dylan's couch.
Get up, Booger. Motherfucking dog. Why do you do this? Stupid dragon.
Bah!
Oh, he pissed again.
God, stop making your weird up.
Yeah, you need to put something over it. Put the pillow over it. I don't sleep with it or it has piss on it.
Why does it already have piss on it?
I don't know, it smells like piss when you try sleeping with it.
Why are you pissing on your pillow, Finchy?
What's that pillow?
Alright.
Oh!
What the hell was that?
I don't know, my pants went up.
You said mine was an epic fail. Here goes Dylan's.
Oh!
Oh, he got it.
Pretty epic. Anthony.
I'm not doing that again.
Yeah, one more try. You failed last time.
I'm going with Dylan's idea. That was a really good idea. It worked.
Surprisingly, he made it across the couch. Dun.
I'm so scared.
Dun.
Okay, hold on.
Retry. Take 1, 2.
I'm not doing that. I absolutely failed again.
Do.
That was my fault.
Do.
But it's for the purpose of you guys.
I didn't do shit. He's the one who scared him.
I scared him. Dylan was scared him. Piss on the
He's gonna do this now. Hurry up. Da.
Oh.
Fail again. Alright, I'll do one last try.
Oh, I almost kicked Finchy in the balls.
You kicked me in the leg.
Hey, bugger, you getting in Finch's way again.
Oh, you would scare him again.
Hold on, guys. I got a new message from Dustin and Josh that makes me extra happy. Oh yeah, epic shit going down tomorrow maybe? At least one of the boxing matches might happen. That'd be cool, you know? Dylan failed. But that'd be really cool if we had some boxing matches tomorrow. Possibly Derek versus Josh and possibly Finchy versus Dustin. So yeah, that'd be fucking epic, wouldn't it?
Booger, get the fuck.
Oh! New Chipmunks movie.
Alright.
How awesome does that look? Uncle!
Think we can do it?
We're gonna go on YouTube.
You could put on the charger for me, please.
Are we done with this video, guys?
Yeah, I guess. I was gonna try one more time with the kick.
Sombrero.
Sombreros. There's 2.